Hello lovelies, what is up? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle and I create beauty content for women over 40. Whether it is drugstore products or makeup from Sephora, I love to create tutorials and try out makeup with you guys. Today we are creating an eyeshadow look for deep set maturing eyes using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. If this is the type of videos you would enjoy, it would be amazing if you could subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. And if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look and follow along, then just keep watching. So we're going to focus on creating more of an elongated eye with this look, keeping the darker shades to the outer corner and just kind of going out more vertically rather than kind of lifted, and then keeping more brightness in the inner part of the eye. So we're using the Makeup Revolution London palette in Velvet Rose, the Reloaded palette. These are still in stores, so you can totally grab this. Very affordable and has great quality and a nice array of tones. So we're going to use our cooler tones today. I'm going to first go in with this neutral warmer tone though and just a fluffy brush, and like I said, we're just gonna kind of focus on creating the deeper tones kind of going outwards. So I'm just gonna kind of build up with different colors here. We're gonna start with this one but then kind of build over them. So kind of up on this area of the brow bone. So I've just kind of gone outwards with this on both sides of the eye, or both eyes. Use the same fluffy brush, dusted it off a little bit on my hand. It's really nice because it's fluffy and rounded, so it doesn't pick up too much product, so you can kind of just layer it lightly. All right, now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is kind of like a cooler, dusty rose, lavenderish matte color, I guess, and just kind of do the same thing. But I'm just going to stick a little bit closer to the crease line and in the crease. This is also a great kind of way to place your eyeshadow if your eyes are really close set. So I'm going to go into this foiled color right here. It is, again, in the same tones as these three colors. This is the darker one of the three, and I'm just going to use a flat brush and close my eyes now and kind of place that on the outer part of my eyelid. Just softly blend it inwards. So once you have right where you placed it, like the most pigmented part, the most dense part, just kind of blend it inwards. That is a really beautiful color. I don't think I've ever tried out this color in the palette. So there's like the coolness of the like lavender tones, but also like a coppery rose gold too. That is really, really pretty. Now I'm going to go into the foiled color beside it, which is like a brighter version, maybe less of the rose gold coppery tones in it and more of maybe some pinks. Let's see once the foiled color gets on the eye how it's going to kind of reflect the light. So yeah, this one's definitely got some more pinks to it. So again, just kind of following the lid, just pushing it up into the crease as well. So pretty. I've never used these colors before. They're so pretty. I'm just going to use the same flat brush again, just because I'm blending all of these shades together on the lid. I'm going to go into this lighter gold tone here for the inner part of the eye, and just using the same brush gonna kind of help melt these tones together. That is a really pretty blend on the lid, just keeping it really soft on the brow bone, not putting any shadows in here to keep it nice and bright. It is turning out really, really nicely. I'm gonna stick with warmth underneath the eye, so I'm gonna go into that first tone that we used and just a rounded fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go underneath the eye with that. Oh, my lighting. There. I'm just gonna go in and tightline. Whoa. Alright, I added some mascara. This is the final look. I absolutely love the way it came out. Just a unique mix of like rose gold and some neutrals and some cooler pinky tones. So pretty. Looks great for deep set eyes, great for mature eyes or close set eyes. Just following this simple technique and just following how I placed the shadow on my lids. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you guys again soon.